So as you can see, these came on out here, and I believe the faulty ones are going to be these top two. Well, more than that, they all look burned. But I'm going to be able to pull all of these out now, like this. And they did not melt too much. It did right here on the outside. It might have been glue, hot glue somebody put. No, it was. It definitely got hot enough to melt these. And you can see the oil traces inside of that one up there, and these two. So it looks like 4 of these capacitors blew. You can see those oil traces here and here. Back in here, can't see any at this point. Probably didn't get to those, but it did get the 2, 4, and 6 of them. Knocked them out. I guess they got old and decided that they were just no longer going to operate, and one blew the other, and like a domino effect. But we had the voltage set to our high voltage here on the switch when this happened, but we were not transmitting. We were just idling, and our plate amperage needle was all the way to the left. It wasn't in the key up state, so the tubes weren't working at that point, but it was idling at about 3,000 volts, and it was probably just more than these old caps could stand. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at all these things here. Looks like it's got some rings that these things sit in. So I'm going to take everything apart, see if I can figure out how all this goes back together, and I'll put a new hardball set in. We'll be back when we get the new kit in, and we'll go from there.